Hello, everyone. We are very glad to have the chance to share our company and work about Filecoin. Here is the short 30 seconds. Yeah, Shanghai Decentral Technology Corporation is a blockchain technology company based on distributed storage technology combined with the new infrastructure industry for Internet of Things, smart cities, and health, and a series of new technology to provide infrastructure construction. Decentral Technology was founded in early 2018. With a team of professional researchers in blockchain and distributed storage. With the continuous expansion and improvement of the business line, 3 branches of Decentral Capital, Decentral Data Center, and Decentral Research Institute are currently established. Decentral Capital focused on venture capital investment in blockchain technology-related companies, primary and secondary market value investment, and digital currency fund investment management. We provide blockchain wealth management services and other service for institutions and investors. And Decentral Data Center team all distributed storage professional researchers dedicated to distributed storage promotion and equipment research and development, distributed storage application development and data center integration construction. And Decentral Research Institute focus on the research and development of core blockchain technology and is committed to carry out solutions, strategy research, standard development, evaluation and certification, publicity and promotion, as well as the underlying technology development work. And in 2018, we applied for 2 patents, and in July 2020, we completed the National High-Tech Conversion Project certification. During the development of our company, we have received investment from Tongji University Foundation and Shanghai Minhang District Government. Decentral Technology was founded by me, Shi Mengyi, and my partner Ma Huichao, and our CFO Joseph Zhang and tech leader Ge Yunlong. We are very glad to share our work on Filecoin code. Basically, about 3 parts. Accuracy optimism was the first part. We have made some improvements to the current open source Filecoin Rust accuracy, and some speed improvements are obvious. For example, the pre-commit on AMD was before was 23 minutes, and after our improvement, it was shortened to 11 minutes. And the architecture implementation, the architecture was a little bit different from other company. We complete separate the pre-commit 1, pre-commit 2, and commit and storage to different servers, and the task was dispatched in a pipeline. and the storage is placed in the cluster without unnecessary data transmission, no more hardware idle and wasteful. And we achieved outsourcing of snark tasks. At present, we use remote graphic cards equipment for the computer machine instead of equipment in the same computer room. And we achieved data caching in the storage in the cluster. Almost the same speed read and write effect can be achieved through the mechanical hard disk storage, which can be read and write repeatedly. And we reconstruct the whole schedule part of the Lotus code. We reflect part of the schedule code and orders can be responded immediately without frequent deadlocks. And with the addition of grouping function, look at the picture, the service can be grouped with the switch, and many switches can many service in different switches can connect to the minor server, and with the best efficiency of read and write in the cluster. With the addition of the grouping function, it is easy to manage the internal data cache with the optimal bandwidth for devices on different switches, and the throughput speed is comparable to that of the local NVMe disk. And we are very happy to join the Filecoin ecosystem. We have built Filecoin Chain Explorer, and Filecoin Wallet, still beta version, and we built IPFS news site ipfsdrop.com to sharing news about IPFS and Filecoin, and our partner and co-founder has participated in the Filecoin initial token offering. And here is the Decentral Connection Plus plan. We have a good partnership with our friends and other companies like hardware supplier, AMD and Intel and Dell and Seagate and IDC server room, and listed company that company named Liangxun can provide health data, which means real data to store on the distributed network that can make Filecoin a real useful network. And we have a good connection with university and colleges, because both of the co-founder was graduate from the Chinese high schools, Chinese great universities. And several branch structures and in-depth cooperation with local government. In the first half of 2020, Shanghai Minhang District Government and Dalian University and Technology were very positive about the new infrastructure project, giving it investment amount of 10 million yuan and government land support. Dalian University of Technology participated in the technical cooperation and provided relevant support throughout the whole progress. And about Filecoin and the future of Filecoin, we believe in blockchain. We believe in blockchain as a revolution of productive relationship. It puts the benefits generated by labor back into the hands of the worker. We are a Chinese team and we believe in Marxism. We expect Filecoin to be a blockchain project that returns storage revenue back to the miners. Surely this is something very difficult in today's capital society, and we need real data to storage demands and a rational economy model. We are looking forward to the Filecoin Plus project as FIP 0003. And we hope Filecoin is not just a good project, but a great project. Thank you so much for the chance of sharing.